Question is, can drugs be used as a vehicle to enlightenment? I don't think there is much doubt about it for you and me, for many of us, that at least psychedelic chemicals, not all drugs, but psychedelic chemicals, have a capacity to cut through places where you are attached and clinging, to set them aside and show you a possibility. The problem is that they don't allow you to become the possibility, they only show you the possibility. Then after a few hours, you lose the view of the possibility and you have it only as a memory. I made a very genuine effort in 5 years of drug taking to use that as my full upaya or way, and it didn't work because I just kept going up and coming down. And Maharaji, my guru, when he took LSD, asked me for that medicine, that yogi medicine I used, and he swallowed a huge amount that would have freaked anybody in this room. And nothing happened to him at all. And then he said, well, these are known about these chemicals. It will allow you to come in and have a visit with Christ, but you can only stay 2 hours and you gotta leave. He said it would be better to become Christ than to visit Christ. But this medicine won't do that for you because it's not the true samadhi. He said love is a much stronger medicine than this. Because love is that flow with the mother, that's the thing that moves you.